Hi there guys, welcome back to another Pricey P Roblox Studio tutorial. Here in my workspace you can see I have two different parts. I have a spawn location and I have a red part. Just make sure both of your parts are anchored. Today we're going to learn an easy way to add 100 beautiful colorful steps to our Obby game or any type of game you want. I can suggest two different ways to do it. The first way would be to add each one manually by going up here and add a part each time. You would need to set the color for each different part because we want them to be colorful, have different color. And then you need to manually position each part to make it into a stairway. And you need to repeat that process 100 times. The second method I'm going to show you right now is a much easier method to build a stairway, a colorful stairway with 100 steps. So we said we're going to make this in an Obby game. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to select the base plate. I'm going to press delete. Okay. And we're going to go to the server script service. We're going to add a script. In your script, just enter the following lines. Here I'm declaring my part. My part is this red part right here. I have a for loop that goes from 1 to 100 to build 100 different steps. For each step, I'm going to clone this part here. So I'm going to clone the red brick. I'm going to give the new part a new position, a new color. I'm going to select a random color for the new part. And then I parent it to the workspace to put it inside the workspace. And we're going to keep on repeating this process 100 times. Each time we're going to wait for 0.3 of a second before we make the next step. Let's now play test and take a look. Hopefully I won't fall. So you can see the steps are starting to build, and I'm going to start, and this is me right here. So I'm going to start and jump on, and I can go up all the way up to the 100th step, and then it's going to stop. I guess I'm not there yet, but I'm too fast, so I have to wait for a little bit. And there it is, it has stopped. So this is a very easy way to build 100 steps inside your Obby game. Now let's make it a little bit more interesting. So instead of building the steps automatically as we enter the game, what we're going to do is we're going to let a player activate that building process. I'm going to insert the following line. Basically, we're going to wait for somebody to touch that part before it starts to build. If nobody touches that part, it's just going to wait here forever until somebody touches that part. It's going to move down to here and it's going to start to build those steps. Let's play test and take a look. So now I'm just going to stand right here and wait. And you can see it's not building the steps until I hop on it and it starts to build. Now if you select the part and you go to the properties window, there is a property called shape, and right now it's a block. So that's why when you create a new step, you copy from this block, the next step is going to be a block. But if you click here, you can see we have 5 different options here. You can have a ball, you can have a block, you can have a corner wedge, a cylinder, and a wedge. So how about we make it more interesting, and we're going to give it a random pick out of these 5 different options. To make the system do a random pick, instead of selecting the shape by name, I'm going to select them by the value of each shape. So for example, I believe the ball is 0, the block is 1, corner wedge is 2, cylinder is 3, and the wedge is 4. I could be wrong, the order could be wrong, but anyway, each of these shape is associating with a value. So let's now go to the script and let's see if we can do that. After we selected the random color for the new part, we're going to insert a line in here and we're going to select the random shape for the new part. You can see I'm selecting it from the value of the shape, and I'm giving it a random number between 0 and 4. Let's go take a look. And again, it needs me to wait for it to start. I'm going to hop on, and you can see the shapes are all random. I have some wedges, corner wedge, I have a cylinder, and I have another block. Whoa, this part looks pretty tough. See how good I am. I didn't fall yet. And it keeps, oh, I got stuck there. Keeps going. Stuck again. For what? Oh! Well, I made it pretty far. So this is how you select a random shape for your base part. Let's now take a look at a different example. So we're going to call this script number 2. And actually we're going to just go ahead and delete script number 1. We're done with that. And also I'm going to go to my workspace and I'm going to delete this part right here. Now who knows how this script is different than our first script? Let's play test and take a look. So here we are, and it's starting to build on its own. Here I am. Let me see if I can go and catch it. But it's going too fast. And the steps are long, so I don't think I can catch it. But anyway, it's gotta build 100 steps before it stops. So notice here for the second script, script number 2, we do not need a part here to start making the stairway, because we're creating the part right here inside the script. And finally, let's take a look at one final example. I'm gonna insert the script where we're changing the shape of the parts to make it random. Let's go and take a look. So here we are. Whoa, this is gonna be a tough obby. Look at that. How can I hop on that? Whoa! I'm gonna try it again. I can do this. Yeah, I got past that. I can do this. Yeah, look at that. Pretty good, right, guys? One more time. Whoa! Whoa! I made it. That was tough. This one is tough. No, that's not very tough. The ball is very tough. Alright guys, I tried. That was not easy. Guys, hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Take care everyone. Peace.